Hello students, let us continue exercise 8.1 Introduction to Trigonometry. Now we discuss first example. Given tan A equal to 4 upon 3. Find the other trigonometric ratio of the angle A. Given tan A equal to 4 upon 3. First we draw a right angle triangle ABC. At angle B is 90 degree and this is your angle A. So AB is a base and BC is a perpendicular and AC is a hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, we write tan A equal to perpendicular upon base equal to 4k upon 3k, where k is constant. By Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, at angle B equal to 90 degree, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now, base is AC, so we write AC whole square is equal to, hypotenuse is AC, so we write AC whole square is equal to base is 3k, so we write 3k whole square plus perpendicular 4k, that is 4k whole square. AC square is equal to 3k multiply 3k 9k square plus 4k multiply 4k 16k square. 9k square plus 16k square is equal to 25k square, and AC is equal to root of 25k square, that is 5k. This is your hypotenuse. Now find the other trigonometric ratio of angle A. So we write sin A perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is your base, this is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse. 4k upon 5k. So we write 4k upon 5k, k cancel out, 4 upon 5. Cos A base upon hypotenuse. Base 3k upon 5k, hypotenuse 5k. So we write 3k upon 5k. k cancel out, we get 3 upon 5. Now cosec A, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse 5k upon perpendicular 4k. 5k upon 4k, k cancel out, 5 upon 4. This is your required answer. Now sec A, hypotenuse upon base. This is your hypotenuse, this is your base. 5k upon 3k. k cancel out, we get 5 upon 3. Cot A equal to base upon perpendicular. This is your base, this is your perpendicular, base upon perpendicular. 3k upon 4k. k cancel out, we get 3 upon 4. Hence, these are required values. Now we discuss question number 3. Consider triangle ABC, right angle at C, where AB is 29 unit, BC is 21 unit, and angle ABC theta. Determine the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is first part. Second part, cos square theta minus sin square theta. That is second part. First we draw right triangle ABC at angle C 90 degree. This is your given. And angle B is theta. Now AB equal to 29 unit given. BC equal to 21 unit. Angle ABC is theta. This is your given. By Pythagoras theorem, base square plus perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square. Base is 21, so we write 21 whole square plus perpendicular is AC. So we write AC whole square is equal to hypotenuse 29 whole square. 21 multiply 21 441 plus AC whole square is equal to 29 multiply 29, that is 841. Transpose of 441 to the right side, change with this sign, that is minus 441, and their calculation is 400. 400 can be write AC is equal to root of 20 multiply 20, and root of 400 is 20 unit. AC equal to 20 units. Now cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse 21 upon 29, and sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is perpendicular is 20 unit, 20 upon 29. So we write 20 upon 29 perpendicular upon hypotenuse. First part given, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to, value of cos theta is 21 upon 29 whole square plus sin theta 20 upon 29. So we write 20 upon 29 whole square. 21 upon 29 multiply 21 upon 29, we get 441 upon 841 plus 20 upon 29 multiply 20 upon 29, we get 400 upon 841. Take 841 LCM, we get 441 plus 400 upon 841, that is 841 upon 841, we get 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Cancel out, we get 1. So we write 1. This is your first answer. Now second part, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, we write 441 minus 400 upon 841, that is 41 upon 841. This is your second answer. Now we discuss example 4. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. This is your given right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. If tan A equal to 1, to verify 2 sin A cos A equal to 1, prove tan A equal to 1. This is your given. Tan A can be write perpendicular upon base. 1 can be write 1k upon 1k. 1 can be write 1k upon 1k. So perpendicular is 1k, also base is 1k. So we write perpendicular 1k. Sorry, this is your perpendicular because base angle is A. This is your perpendicular, this is your base. Perpendicular 1k, base 1k. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. AC whole square is equal to base is 1k square, 1k whole square plus perpendicular 1k whole square, k square plus k square. We can write k square plus k square, that is 2k square. AC is equal to root of 2k square. We get root 2k. Root of k square, that is k. So we write root 2k. AC is root 2k. Now left hand side 2 sin A cos A. 2 into sin A. This is your sin A. Sin A. So this is your base, this is your perpendicular. BC upon AC. Perpendicular upon base. BC upon AC. So we write BC upon AC. Multiply cos A. Cos A. This is your base. Base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. AB upon AC. AB upon AC. Now we write 2 into value of BC 1k. So we write 1k. Value of AC root 2k. Root 2k. Multiply value of AB 1k. 1k. Value of AC root 2k. Now k cancel out. We get 2 upon root 4. 2 upon root 4 means 2 upon 2. That is 1. Right hand side. Hence prove. This is your verify. Now try exercise 8.1 in your revision notebook. Thank you.